Sabotage. Sabotage game just a tiny bit. Ugly. That's how loud it is. Boing, but do not. No! Yes, I made it through. Ah. Damn it. No, back up. Jump, get me up. Drive. I got the cloud.
Because then we can put the fish in a separate area.
I can make a video without using.
We actually managed to
Yeah,
kill it.
so I guess we do need an aquarium,
We
guys.
got coral! Look, you can put coral in there.
Yeah,
Scoot over, Nate.
That's gonna be great.
Scoot over.
Oh no, guys, I fell off.
Oh no, Josh!
The salmon!
No!
Are you kidding me?
You fell
My
off the
squid
salmon.
died. The salmon died. I just fell off in
You
the
lost
most lame
all the valuables?
way possible.
Guys,
What?
come here.
What do you have? I have about iron in here.
Look what I got, guys.
What is
Yeah.
it?
Oh my. Straight up. Get in the water, Jelly. And now it's raining.
Crater! That's the sky
fault.
crying!
Well, while it's
Crying.
doing that, I'm going to get myself some new tools. This is not going well.
Alright, let's just
Yeah.
wait.
Does anyone have cobblestone?
I don't have cobblestone.
Because
got one.
I'm trying to make myself new tools.
Here you go.
Wait. Crainer.
Yeah, what's up?
Squid!
Give me that lava bucket.
Squid!
Ooh, okay.
Squid!
Put it in the water, Jelly.
Put it in
I'm trying!
Jelly?
I was trying! I was hitting it!
Okay, look, guys. I think we can make
A cobblestone generator, yes. Yes, a lot. I have a lot of them.
We actually do have
Can
a
you
lot
just
of
build this platform out?
Alright. I'll work on this. This is the aquarium.
Yeah, but I'm converting it.
I'm efficiently.
That didn't last too long.
No, it didn't. Honestly, it didn't.
How do
Okay,
you
so
make one of these again, guys?
My leg. I just hit.
You guys are doing two different things right now. I'm very
I'm making a nice entrance.
I think
It's supposed to be like
Entrance!
And then
Look!
a hole here.
that's way too long, Crainer.
Peter, don't you know how a lava
What are you
cobblestone
doing?
generator
I
works?
don't know what I'm doing. You guys are
Break
building
one
it.
of them. Break one of them.
That one.
Jelly!
There we go. Put the water there and the lava here. Okay?
Yes, I know, but we need water.
No.
Okay, so you
Put the lava down, use the bucket, but you
Use the
stupid.
bucket and yeah.
Okay,
Are you
guys, I
stupid?
appreciate the
No,
negativity. Me and
Josh,
Jalopy
you have
are
to do
gonna
it the
have
other way
words.
around. Because now
What are
you
you
would
doing, Jelly?
have ruined it.
Fine, okay.
There we go.
Not on
Yay!
yet.
Alright,
We now have
you can stand here and break cobblestone for about an hour, okay?
No, I'll just give it to Josh so he can
Yeah, I need to make tools. So.
Alright, you can make some tools. I'll
Da
get
da
you
da
this one
da
block.
da
See,
da
technically,
da
two one
da.
blocks now. Just
Reduces
like
the
one.
chances of
I don't think it's
the blocks going in the lava.
I thought you were trying to trap me in here
No,
forever.
no. Actually, to destroy it, Crainer, I'm gonna put one that's a little bit.
Fish! It died again! Jess!
Why is there a ton of items on top, Jelly?
Yeah, Jelly.
Because you don't automatically pick them up. Alright, guys, I've got kelp.
I have the perfect.
And I've got
My
lily
turn.
pads.
Why do you say that you have?
I trapped the fish!
What are you talking about? Oh wait, you trapped Jalopy.
Look, guys, I made a house.
We don't need a house on that.
You're literally wasting resources.
No, because this has to be inside, Jelly. Everybody knows that.
What's happening? Nothing.
What are you guys doing?
Nothing.
Stood on a fish. We stood on the turtle egg!
I was thinking it was an
I'm about to work out. Me and him about to work out so me and him You get a six pack. No!
How many times?
Okay, then go work on the jump.
Okay, boom. I'm going.
Me and my little ski don't work out me. So me and him can get a six pack.
The next,
Okay, well, our turn on that too. Okay, lay down, bro.
Yeah, so when we get to the end of it, it's gonna start going weird.
Yeah, it's gonna upgrade.
Right.
Has anybody gotten any iron from this?
Nope.
First
Oh no, I lost my pickaxe.
Actually,
Again! Oh my god. Guys, we almost dead.
Ah!
Oh my god. I'm almost dead. Alright guys, I'll continue on the block because I think we're almost at the next era of this thing.
Yeah, while you do that, as you can, there you go. There you go. Alright, I'm just gonna expand the farm just a little bit
Yeah,
more.
just keep
Sounds
expanding
good.
the island, especially when those scary ones spawn. It's really impossible to hit them off.
Oh, I fell off again.
Okay, Josh died. Don't let him die again because we've got iron.
I'm really dying a lot in this one. I don't know.
Just gave you tools to go.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
I basically just been here breaking his block.
I don't have it. Oh, okay. I need some cobblestone.
There you go.
Do you actually have any cobblestone for
I'm gonna get up this fish in
There's a
the
wooden pickaxe you can use.
Why is it raining again? Okay.
I don't know.
Oh, it's
upgrading!
upgrading! It is?
And it's raining!
I'm
Upgrading
coming.
rain.
Alright, it's almost
Can
time.
I use your ball?
One
Can
and
you do that?
Jungle Dungeon.
Why do you wanna do that?
Cause I want to get strong.
I done said yeah.
Huh?
Huh?
No, I want to get strong.
Talking about iron. How many do you guys have? I have
Can I get it? Can I use your bell? Give me a ball.
Get that in the thing.
smelled it. Smelled it.
Yeah.
It's on fire! The house is on fire!
Oh my god, the house is on fire?
Why is it on fire?
Because you put a
Don't break
It's
that.
okay.
Slabs don't go on fire.
My car.
You know what?
That's why I said I don't care. He's so dumb.
Jelly,
Hey, I
don't look at what you just
I'm
did.
the one with 2 iron ingots. I'm in power here.
Jelly, you just removed the...
You just removed the lava jet.
Don't worry about it. We'll get some more later.
What do you mean? Don't worry about it.
I am so upset.
Did he do that on purpose?
Yes.
That dumb.
Yes.
I don't.
Don't break it! We have an iron pickaxe!
You just rolled that lava button. I'm not gonna...
Yeah, and he's smelting one, isn't he?
We don't care about gold.
Okay, well, guys, I'm gonna create an iron pickaxe, and this one we will never lose, okay?
Yeah, well, if you're the one with it, then that's what we should do. Where was I? I'm gonna upgrade the farm.
Diamond! Diamond!
Wait, what?
And I just created my iron pickaxe. So,
Oh my god.
Painter, get off the
Mine
block.
it, Jelly, mine
Get
it.
off the block.
That was ours. We all stand on this fucking
Alright,
line.
we're all gonna stand on it and break
This
it.
is the only bad way of
I'm trying to get on it, but you guys are on it.
The fish gets in the way.
Okay, come on, come on.
You actually finally found that.
It's...
No, it's not! There's another one! There's another one!
Josh gets them all!
Josh, you can create a diamond pickaxe. Here you go. Two
That
sticks.
means in the future we can get obsidian and...
But that's why we can't just jelly ruin the lava.
Okay, don't worry, we should get in the future. Okay, I have the diamond pickaxe. I have it. We did it.
Wait!
Parrot! I love parrots. Wait, we got some seeds.
It is a jungle biome, so there's some seeds in that chest. It's going well, guys. We found
I want the parrot, Josh. I want the guy.
Time for the Fortnite Battle Tower. There are 9 levels. In each level, you have to pick a number between 0 and 10. Depending on the choice you make, you can get either a trap or a chest. Once you've opened your chest, the battle starts. And may the best shooter win. Make sure you use Grey Code Jelly Item Store. It's spraying.
Nobody wants to hear you say that, dummy.
He's got a pistol.
Alright.
So let the fight begin? No, I don't have anything.
3, 2, 1.
Wait, what?
Shit.
Wait, but Josh, you literally only have a bandage?
No.
Yeah, I'm not sure how I'm feeling about this. I gotta pickaxe everyone now. Okay. I'm coming in with my pickaxe, boys.
Oh, Josh is actually here. He just came out of nowhere.
Oh, hey, Jordy. Hey, how's it going, Jordy?
He's too damage to Jordy. Josh,
You did? I'm going in for the
I
kill.
have no idea. Let's team up, okay?
Okay, listen, Josh, we don't have a gun. We need to team up against this guy. Wait, where's he? Where'd he go? Oh my goodness. It's so hard to catch up with this guy. Jordy! Oh, I'm sorry, Josh! Wrong person!
I think I broke his shield.
Really? That's impressive, Josh. Oh.
Jordy, you gotta do something.
Jordy, you gotta kill us, man! This is an infinite fight!
You guys are right next to me.
Oh my god. Can I go to speed boost or something? We literally cannot get this guy. Oh, I hear a lot of shots. I hear a lot of shots. Oh, wait, what? No, I'm not. No, I'm not. You do know. Oh, this is Jordy? Oh, where'd he go? Where did he go? Break it! Break it! This is my brother! Oh, yes, I hit him at 20! That's good. How much health are you on, Jordy? Oh, 20 again!